Hey guys, Hattie here with Honeybee Stampers with this quick tip. I attempted this in my video earlier and I couldn't quite get it right. I had forgotten actually the steps. So now here I am to share with you exactly how to do it. So if you happen to have a builder punch is something like this. It has several different images that you can punch out that you can kind of stack together or build on top of each other to create an image. And so this is how you can be very efficient with it. Of course, you can cut out your paper and just stamp this. If you just want this image, you can just stamp that on the paper and cut it out. Of course, you can do that. But if you're wanting to stamp both images at the same time, this is what you would do. So first of all, you would punch yourself a little template, which I had that part down earlier. Okay, now once you've got that template, you can set it right here. Now what you want to do is you want to place the stamps in these spots where they go. I had flipped them over and had them the other way. You want to place them in here so that you can place an acrylic block on top and not on the bottom, on top to pick it up. So there's that. And then we've got this little leaf down here. Okay, hopefully I've got it lined up pretty well. You just want to kind of keep it within the punched out image, and then you'll take the acrylic block to pick it up. Now once you've got it picked up on your block, then you're going to ink up. So we'll grab some pumpkin pie here. We'll ink up the whole thing. And then we'll stamp straight down. Okay, and now we've got this image here. And then what you do is you bring your punch back in and you line your punch up like that. And then you can punch it out and voila, you've got all of these great images. Now, if you wanted to do this again, but you didn't want this to be colored orange, you want it maybe to be green, that's where our Stampin' Right markers are perfect for this. So what we'll do is we'll ink up these two in the pumpkin pie, and I'll be careful to omit that leaf there. Or if I wanted to stamp each pumpkin in a different color, you could do that. And I'm looking right now, I can see that this pumpkin pie ink is actually not on the stamp evenly, but I like the way that that looks. Now we're gonna grab an old olive marker, and you wanna use the brush tip to just color this leaf in. So I'm going to color it in like so. And then I'm just going to tap on it to make sure I got some good coverage and maybe even add a little interest there. And then we'll stamp again. Okay. See, I think that's really cool how that turned out, where some of the ink is on and some of it isn't. It's not a smooth smooth coverage. And then here we go with the leaf here. It's got some really interesting inking on it. I really like the way that looks. So now we'll line this up again and punch it out. There we go. So now you've got all these great images. I lost my green one. There it is. And you've done it pretty efficiently. Okay, so hopefully that tip helps you guys. If you already knew that tip, awesome. If you didn't, give me a thumbs up, or if you did, give me a thumbs up on this video if you like that. All right, thanks guys. Bye-bye.